What's going on, guys? Shaw4life, and I'm back with another video. So basically for this video, we will be mixing all my slimes. So yeah, let's get into it. Before we get into the video, make sure to go like the video, subscribe to this channel down below, right here, something like that, and turn on my notifications. It's just a little bell right next to the subscribe button. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to take out all my slimes, put it right here.
We got the form, we got whatever that is, we got that. Oh, shout out to Tangela, we're sponsored, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're sponsored by these people. They're cool. Go eat this ice cream.
Alright, so...
Wait, tell them to subscribe to my channel, please.
Oh yeah, there's a mosquito right there. I don't know why. Okay, so, make sure to go, subscribe to the filmer.
What?
Right there. And, at Flanders.
Wait, am I doing too much? Do I look perfect?
Yeah.
Do I look perfect?
Okay.
Like my earrings? Okay.
And yeah, okay.
Wait, I want to go as tribute to the mosquito that has taken his life because Shaw hit him with his frickin' Roshis.
No. You said before. Okay. You actually.
Okay, let's.
Oh. Okay, so I guess this is the first time I'm gonna put in this marble white slimes that I made.
We have to do the foam last because the foam's just gonna
like fudge. Ew, it sounds gross. It's all like show it.
It's
like,
gooey.
No, it's all liquidy.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Yeah.
It feels like expired lotion, doesn't it? Ew, and it's all like all these little bits are all over my fingers.
Okay. So I don't think I'm gonna put this whole thing.
Yeah. Okay, we got our first slime in here.
Okay.
There it is. Look at that. Stuff's disgusting, but okay. Do you have more lenses for this?
What?
Do you have more lenses? Yeah.
Alright, so next is gonna be...
Oh, no, we have to do that last.
Okay.
Because that's just gonna, like, freaking bomb this thing.
Alright, so the next is gonna be this, the sparkled blue slime.
Yeah.
Right here. This is satisfying. Okay. Okay.
Is it sticky?
Yeah.
Sure. Ooh. I like it.
Oh, yeah. Brox, bro.
Look at all that. That's a good shot, huh? Look, show.
Okay, so the next is gonna be this.
The Tangela container sponsored slime.
Black sprinkled white slime that I cannot open.
You twist it. You want me to do it?
Okay, I know this one is really bad.
Let me get a look at it. This one looks nice, but how is it, Shaw? Do you like it?
Nope, I don't like any slime.
Yeah. You don't like slime?
Dude, look at this. Look at this.
It looks like Oreos.
Yeah.
Doesn't it look like
Oreos? This is satisfying.
Guys, this looks like Oreos. Look.
Dude, this is satisfying.
Look at this. It looks like Oreos.
Okay, this is satisfying. Almost.
I'm gonna get an Instagram shot over here. Go follow me on Instagram at Troylit625. TROYLIT 625. No spaces, no caps. And then my YouTube channel is capital T TROY space capital A ANDERS.
Shout out to Logan Paul because I got this idea from him. When he just said it, I did something when I was editing. Okay, so I guess that's all the slimes, and then I'm just gonna go into the foam. Okay, so the next one is the ultimate foam. So,
oh no. Okay, wait, let's get a good poke at this. So this is styrofoam in slime mixed, right?
And if you want to see the video that I made this, go watch it.
Yeah, it's on his channel somewhere. It's somewhere lurking around. Dude, the bottom of that is super nasty, huh? It's all slimy. It's like gooey. Wait, is the slime that's mixed with it actually like good slime?
Yeah.
Oh, it kind of.
Okay, go film it. Okay.
Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Oh, this is looking fine. Mighty fine. We have to film the aftermath of this, where you go wash your hands because you're covered in slime.
Oh.
Oh my god, that actually looks pretty cool. On camera, it looks good.
Oh, this looks sick. Get an overview shot.
Like this?
Oh!
Oh my god.
Focus it. Come on, Troy.
Yeah, look at all that.
That was a good thumbnail.
Yeah, it is a good
Thumbnail.
thumbnail.
Oh my god, this is actually really beautiful.
Thumbnail squad. Thumbnail
I never thought of
squad. What? That's a thumbnail. That's what you do. You gotta go thumbnail. Squad. Ah! Ew, now it just looks like butt. And wrinkly.
Okay, I'm gonna go pick it up.
Oh my god. Dude. Dude, we just got this.
Okay.
Okay, so
Get
part
my
of
hand shot. Get my hand shot.
part of the camera right here is covered
Get my
in slime.
hand shot. Ew, it's all like.
Dude, that was disgusting. You're too close to the camera. This is disgusting. How are we gonna clean your camera, dude?
No, okay, film my hands. Film my hands.
Ew.
Okay.
This is quite disgusting, people.
Okay, film the last shot.
What?
Film my last shot.
Oh my god.
Get into it. Like, get into it.
Oh my god. Ooh, that's disgusting. Ew, your fingers are like webbed.
Yeah!
Dude, they're webbed with slime and your camera's
Okay.
freaking covered.
Okay, guys, see you in the next shot.
Stop it. Stop it. Goodbye.
Okay.
Wait, dude, reel it up. Dude. Reel it up, bro. Come on, reel that up. That's nasty.
Okay, so I'm gonna go wash my hands. And yeah, I don't want to get
Rabies.
rabies.
Dude, look at the camera. It's covered in slime.
Okay.
Shout out to me because I'm cool, right?
Okay. Try.
Okay, so here it is. Disgusting hands. Shout out to Low Cab. Shaw's fake Low Cab bracelet.
Okay, see you guys in the next clip.
Goodbye. Dude, there's slime. There's so much slime on the floor. I got stuck to my foot.
I don't want to get third-degree burns. I'm washing my hands thoroughly, dude. With hot.
Why did?
Okay, there's so much freaking slime on me, guys.
Dude, why did we decide to do this?
Okay.
Look. Ew.
Alright, guys, so that's the end of the video. This is the result. Kind of like, Floamy looks like, it's like light purple pinky, I guess.
Foam slime. It looks like my grandma's butt. No, she's broke.
But, yeah, so that's the end of the video. Please make sure to go, make sure to go like the video, subscribe to this channel for every other day post, and turn on my notifications so you do not miss a post that I post. And, yeah, I guess I will see you guys in the next video, which will probably be me like, either fixing this slime, because it's kind of, like, really bad, or I'll just leave it outside, so it can, like, air out and, like, something. I don't know. But, yeah, so see you guys in the next video.
Give him a slimy outro with the slime. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Okay, guys, so I have the slime right here, and it's still slimy, but I need to put the slime all the way into this container. So, I'm gonna get
shout out to me.
No,
Yeah,
you already got a shout out.
I got 4.
And I'm gonna cut it out. Say at Shaw4life.
Go follow him at Shaw4life. Wait, I forgot to mention my Snapchat. My Snapchat is Troy.
At Shaw4life.
Is at Troylet6.
Shaw4life.
I want a Snapchat shout out.
Hey.
Find my feet. Go follow me on Snapchat at Troy Anders or Troylet625. Either one is fine. Troylet625. Troylet625 for Instagram. Not Instagram. Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube. Yeah, my YouTube is Troy Anders. Go follow me on everyone. Subscribe. Tired. Ow.
Alright, cut.
What do you need?